What's up, everyone? This is Seth with Pagemaker, and today I am showing you how to use Pagemaker with our SEO tools. Pagemaker is not just for paid traffic. Many of our clients that we've worked with in the past have used their landing pages to generate leads or sales organically through Google and other search engines. So we've implemented that into Pagemaker. With Pagemaker, you're able to allocate headings such as H1 headings, H2 headings, as well as on any image, allocate alt attributes. On top of that, you could edit the SEO metadata, the description, and let us know the keywords. As well as the SMO. So if you're using Pagemaker, consider adding your headings, making sure each image has the proper alt attribute, and then setting up the SEO metadata. You'll be able to rank, and the landing page will be able to be crawlable. If you have any other questions about how it works, please send us a message. But guys, it's super useful. If you're already on the landing page builder, it only takes you a couple minutes to set up. And you might be able to rank organically. Maybe this page will find its way onto many search engines, and it's something we see all the time. Landing pages are built for paid traffic, but a lot of them go on to live much longer than that advertising campaign. I've seen landing pages that people have kept for 5-6 years ranking online because they convert so well. So that was the idea, is we wanted to give you those tools, allow you to get the landing page ranked and crawlable. And I hope you enjoy it. If you have any other questions, again, reach out. And thank you very much for supporting us. Have a great day, guys.